Hey guys, it's Danica here. Today we are going to be testing out magnetic eyelashes. So I have never tried them and I actually got them sent to me from a company called Wake Up and Makeup. So here is what they look like. The thing I like about these lashes is that there is a top strip that goes above your lashes, and then the bottom part is actually composed of 3 separate pieces. I feel like it's going to be a lot easier to apply magnetic eyelashes when they're broken up in pieces this way, because I've seen a lot of videos of people trying to apply just where there's 2 magnetic strips and it looks really hard. So we are going to test these out, and I'm going to do like a zoomed in application for you guys so you can see how they look really up close and whether or not they actually look realistic, and you can, you know, pull them off if you go to work or just an everyday look. Alright, so let's get going. So first I'm going to apply the left lashes. Alright, so they do suggest wearing mascara so that there's some texture for the magnets to hang on to. Okay. I'm gonna try shaping it kind of like so that it's a little bit more. And then I'm gonna grab one of my little pieces here and try. Did not work. Better. Ugh. This is definitely not easy, even with broken up. Okay, we got it down here. So they do work. It does take a little bit of time to apply them. They feel pretty comfortable, not bad. As you can see, these ones are obviously extremely dramatic. So if you want an extremely dramatic look, then I think you'll like this company's lashes. But there are other companies that sell more natural, everyday type of magnetic lashes, so I definitely look into that. I feel like everybody's gonna know that these are false lashes. It's not like, girl, these are my real lashes. No. So as you can see, there's quite a dramatic difference. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks super zoomed in. Let's zoom it in like so much. So you really cannot see the magnets. The only kind of issue is that my actual real lashes aren't blending very well with the fake lashes. So kind of probably have to work with that and comb it out. Here's how they look closed. They do a pretty good job, I think. I think these are really good. Alright, so I'm going to apply the other lashes and show you guys how they look on both eyes. So here's how they look on both eyes. So my verdict of magnetic eyelashes is that, yeah, they do work really well. These are on solid on my eyes. Like, these are not gonna fall off if I go out. I don't feel like they're flimsy or loose, and I actually prefer these over glue because I have a really difficult time gluing false lashes on. To me, it's a nightmare, and this is so much more convenient and less messy, and you're not going to have sticky goop when you have to take them off at the end of the night. It's just, they come off clean, and they're going to last longer. I think you could probably reuse these quite a bit because you're not going to be gunking them up with glue. And I would just experiment with different styles. I would try to find a more natural brand if you feel like these are too dramatic for your taste. But the whole concept of magnetic eyelashes is legit. Like, obviously this works. Stay tuned for another magnetic eyelash video. I'm going to be comparing different brands for you guys and doing zoomed in up close footage for you guys so that you guys can buy the best brand that's most suitable for your taste. So definitely stay tuned for that video. I'll also link these lashes below for you guys, as well as other lashes. You can take a look at those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!